physical better than in the Zoom. Okay, I'll introduce myself. I am Wombimi. I knew about Bai Yin Qigong since 2021. I was so-called verbally recommended by my friend, and she said it's good, but unfortunately she didn't really practice. I was quite anyway. Just make it short. I went through the YouTube. I saw and I confirmed with her. Is this the one you're talking? She said yes. Then I went into to register myself under instructor Yvonne, because I'm a banana. I don't know Mandarin. So I learned from her. I find it very interesting because I used to exercise a lot, not only in Qigong and Tai Chi. I also did the Sapatzik one, but I find this is better. So actually, my problem is I used to cough a lot, and I got a lot of phlegm, So even when I practice, also I was coughing and phlegm until I urinate, So I told sister instructor Yvonne to ask for advice. She said, just put a newspaper on the floor. Whatever you do, you just do it. So I've been practicing since 2021 until now, and my phlegm and my cough has reduced a lot, but I still have some because I have a sensitive throat. I think because of my previous thyroid. I had thyroid. Other than that, I'm cured already. So I'm very grateful to instructor Yvonne for all her guidance, and also to this Qigong, and I enjoy it very much. Now we have physical is better because there is interaction instead of just looking at the PC. So I hope we can come out more often for physical group practice, and then we can at the same time have fellowship.